Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Stock number is A7450A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked Dynapro tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Cherokee on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.